Two-factor authentication, not working on Wealthify App Fix. If two-factor authentication isn't working on your Wealthify app, it can feel frustrating, especially when you just want quick access to your investments. But here's the surprising truth: most of the problems are caused by your device, not the app itself. The first thing you should check is your phone's time settings. Go to your device settings and turn on Set Time automatically. Two-factor authentication relies on your phone and Wealthify's servers being perfectly in sync. Even a few seconds off can cause your code to fail. Next, open your App Store and check for updates. If the Wealthify app hasn't been updated recently, install the latest version. Security updates often include fixes for issues that appear after system changes. If you're not receiving your verification code, try these quick fixes: turn off Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data, or temporarily disable anything you're using. Sometimes carrier networks or VPN filters block automated security messages. For those using an authenticator app, open it and check that its time synchronization is correct. Look in settings for sync time for codes. Once adjusted, try entering your verification code again. This single step often solves the issue immediately. If none of these solutions work, uninstall and reinstall the Wealthify app. This will refresh your connection to Wealthify's authentication servers and remove any corrupted cache that may be causing the problem. And if you recently changed your phone number or lost access to your old device, use the Can't Access Two-Factor option. Wealthify support team will guide you through resetting your phone securely. Once everything is synced and updated, your two-factor authentication should start working smoothly again. Remember that quick 6-digit code might feel inconvenient, but it's one of the most important shields protecting your investments and identity in Wealthify.